Types of grinding operation. Three types of grinding based on the type of surface produced. Surface grinding, cylindrical grinding, that means internal and external, and the last one is centerless grinding. First talk about surface grinding. Surface grinding is most common of the grinding operations. A rotating wheel is used in the grinding of flat surfaces. Types of surface grinding are vertical or horizontal spindle and rotary or reciprocating tables. See here, there is a figure. Four types of surface grinding with horizontal or vertical spindles and with reciprocating linear motion or rotating motion of the workpiece. There are four pictures in the figure. See here, on all the figure there are indicated work part and grinding wheels. Now talk about cylindrical grinding. Cylindrical grinding, mainly two types, external and internal. First we talk about the external cylindrical grinding. Cylindrical grinding external is also called center type grinding and is used in the removing the cylindrical surfaces and shoulders of the workpiece. Both the tool and the workpiece are rotated by separate motors and at different speeds. The axis of rotation tool can be adjusted to produce a variety of shapes. Now the next one, cylindrical grinding internal, is used to grind the inside diameter of the workpiece. Tapered holes can be ground with the use of internal grinders that can swivel up on the horizontal. There is a figure, two types of surface grinding. The first one or the left one is external. See here, there is a grinding wheel and crossfeed and the work part also. And the right one, or the next one is internal cylindrical grinding, mainly to grind the inside diameter of the workpiece. You can see here in the figure, the crossfeed is inside, work part and grinding wheel. Here is a clear picture. The three types of cylindrical grinding from left to right: transverse feed grinding, plank grinding, and a combination of both previous types. See here, from this figure, you have the clear thought about this. Next one, centerless grinding. Centerless grinding is a process for continuously grinding cylindrical surfaces in which the workpiece is supported not by centers or chucks but by a raised blade. The workpiece is ground between two wheels. The larger grinding wheel does grinding, while the smaller regulation wheel, which is tilted at an angle I, regulates the velocity Vf of the axial movement of the workpiece. Centerless grinding can also be external or internal, traverse feed or plank grinding. The most common type of centerless grinding is the external traverse feed grinding, illustrated in the following figure. See here, the figure of schematic illustration of centerless grinding operations. External traverse feed centerless grinding. The regulating wheel is tilted at an angle I to control the velocity of throw feed. Look at the pictures. Grinding wheel are there, throw feed Vf, work part, rest blade, as well as regulating wheel. And see here, Vf is equal to Vr sine I. Okay. Another grinding is here, creep feed grinding. Grinding has traditionally been associated with small rates of material removal and finishing operations. However, grinding can also be used for large-scale metal removal operations similar to milling, shaping, and planing. In creep feed grinding, the depth of cut D is as much as 6 mm, and the workpiece speed is low. The wheels are mostly softer grade resin bonded with open structure to keep temperatures low. Creep feed grinding can be economical for specific applications such as grinding cavities, grooves, etc. Look at the figures. There are three figures. First one is symmetric illustration of the creep feed grinding process. Note the large wheel depth of cut, where D is equal to 1 to 6 mm. In the next figure, a shaped groove produced on a flat surface in one pass by creep feed grinding. Groove depth can be on the order of a few millimeters. And in the last figure, an example of creep feed grinding with a shape to it.